Hello, are you a woman over the age of 35 who's looking for a few hours of peace so that you can restore and revive yourself? Well, have I got a surprise for you. I'm Sue Allison Dean, the CEO and founder of The Nature Nurse, and I am delighted to announce a new partnership with this special space called Figment Farms. This exclusive opportunity to experience this half-day workshop will allow women to connect not only with nature using their not just 5 but 6 of your senses in a way that will help restore, center, make you more joyful, creative, sleep better. The list goes on, which I will talk to you about during the workshop. And these are all not just evidence-based from Western science. I also integrate traditional medicine practices so that you have a full holistic experience. As a board-certified advanced holistic nurse, I feel that that is extremely important and needed in today's world where there is just so many things hijacking our time and energy, that we need as women this opportunity to just come together and relax and restore and play and laugh and just feel more joyful in our natural, authentic selves. So this particular experience, we will have just 12 participants as our limit this time, and we already have a few on the waiting list. So I hope you'll consider signing up soon so you don't miss a spot. And if you have any questions, you can go to thenaturенurse.com and you can reach out to me on my contact page. I'd love to hear from you. As part of this unique experience here at Figment Farm, we will be utilizing this beautiful grove of natural pines. We will also have an opportunity to use their new path around their pond and access their gorgeous little mint garden here. And then after the morning workshop, what will be really special is we will be treated to a lunch that is going to be served by Sassoul, which is their company as well. And they are a very popular Lebanese Mediterranean cuisine restaurant here in the Triangle area. They have restaurants in both Raleigh and Cary. So if you've been there, you know how amazing they are and healthy. And if you haven't, then you have this really great opportunity to experience it for yourself. In addition, they are going to present and prepare for us a special tasting menu so that we can experience a heightened awareness of our sense of taste. So I'm really excited to do that. I also am integrating some new experiences into this particular program that I don't normally integrate into some of my other programs that I've done. So this is going to be full of amazing value, and I hope that we will see you at this event. My Nature Nurse Nature Connection experience for women has consistently been rated 5 stars by past participants. But you don't want to hear that from me. Take a look at what some of the past participants have said themselves. I hope we will see you at the special event. To enroll, go to the link at the end of this video, or you can reach out to me on my page, thenaturенurse.com, at the contact page. You can also ask any questions you might have. And in the interim, we hope that you enjoy this special moment here on Figment Farms.